Imagine living a life with reduced pain, improved mobility, and overall enhanced well-being. Chiropractic adjustments could be the key to unlocking this potential. Originating from the late 19th century, chiropractic care focuses on aligning the spine to ensure the nervous system functions optimally. This practice is believed to alleviate common conditions such as back pain, headaches, and muscle stiffness, offering drug-free alternatives to traditional pain management. Adjustments are precise and safe, targeting misalignments or subluxations that may disrupt the body's natural healing processes. Critics, however, argue that more scientific evidence is needed to fully endorse its benefits. Yet, countless testimonials reflect positive outcomes, citing newfound energy and vitality. In conclusion, while individual experiences may vary, chiropractic care has the potential to significantly enhance one's quality of life by promoting physical harmony and balance.